ordered a repoll.
Repolling was conducted in East Jaintia Hills today after EVMs were damaged by a mob in Musniang, Rangat and Batao Lakadong constituencies. The affected polling booths required a fresh vote to ensure election integrity. Security measures were strengthened during the repolling, which took place from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. A total of 921 votes was cast at Wapung Score A polling station, 978 in Wapung Score B, 659 in Batao A and 678 at Batao B polling station.
JHADC election in our district, there were total 4 incidents where EVM was damaged by a group of people. So after that, the security in both Wapung School village and Batao village where these incidents happened was beefed up, and also the RO went there, and at the spot they decided to adjourn the poll yesterday, and the report was submitted to district council, based on which the government ordered the repoll today. So today we have started the repoll on time. The polling time is from 7 a.m. to 4 a.m. Right now polling is going on peacefully and full security deployment is also there. We have also imposed curfew in both the Wapung School village and Batao village. So I think today the voting will be peaceful, and we are ready for any kind of scenario. We are fully ready with all the security. Both the ROs and the magistrates are also here to respond to any kind of situation.
Union Minister